Ah, oh, tignan natin si Sandy. Parang ayaw ko na bumalik sa bahay na yun kapag wala si Sandy. Hello. Time check, I think it's around 9:45 p.m. and I'm here in Daiso because I am actually looking for a big storage or organizer because we are bringing Sandy to a dog class or dog school plus hotel, and yung name niya is Dog Class kaya ako nasabing dog. Tama ba? Dog Class. I'm super excited for Sandy. I think I need something like this. Ganito kalaki ang OA ko. But Sandy's gonna stay sa dog school na yun for, I think, 10 days. Kasi I also have a work trip. Initially, supposedly, dapat parang pet hotel vibes lang siya. But nakita namin that they offer parang classes for agility, training, and all. And matagal ko ng dream yun for Sandy. Actually, gusto ko nga gawing service dog or basta yung may certification yung dog ko so I can fly them sa cabin. Kasi naawa talaga ako na nasa car ko, guys. Kasi Sandy is 22 kilos. And usually yung mga nasa cabin kasama natin is usually mga small dogs lang. I'm gonna bring her tomorrow and I'm gonna explain later kasi nagmamadali akong maghanap. Okay na ako kasi bumili kami sa Kupang ng Ziplocs. I'm gonna show you how to organize this one in case you're interested later when I get home. So, let's go, guys! Okay, finally arrived in our station. Nagmamadali ako kasi gusto ko talaga mabutan yung pharmacy. Nagsasara to ng 11 o'clock. Tingnan nyo, guys. Look at that. Di ko alam kung makikita nyo, pero sa ilong pa talaga siya namumuo. And also, I have here, medyo masakit siya kasi dinilaan ako ni Sandy dito. Also here. And also here. Nagbe-breakout ako. Feeling ko magkakaroon din kasi ako. One advice from someone who's been living here in Korea. I usually buy my pimple patch from the pharmacy. Naubos na siya. So, magre-repurchase lang ako. Kasi, ever since nandito na si Sandy, guys, lagi niya kaming nadidilaan. And yung first dila niya sa amin, pares kami ni Jun may super laking pimple. So, gamit na gamit namin to. So, just in case you're looking for the best pimple patch, it works like magic and you can watch a lot of videos about this. But this is really something I can rely on. So, ayan siya. Screenshot nyo na lang, but I'm gonna try to link it in my YouTube shopping as well. So, yan, let's buy it. Done with my skincare. Time check, it's 1:40 a.m. to be exact. And yes, guys, grabe, the past week, sobrang puyatan. Like, natutulog na ako ng super duper late. Sobrang dami kong naging backlogs because of the holidays. And also, nag-extend din kasi nag-extend sila mommy. So, medyo busy din talaga ako with them. Anyway, I just wanna use this microneedle pimple patch that I got sa pharmacy kanina. Let me show you how cool this is. Because inside, you have this microneedle pimple patch, diba? Sobrang cool yung itsura niya. Let me explain later. So they also have this spot treatment. They call this emergency Sika ampule. And they also have this applicator. Then when you go to Korean pharmacies, guys, they usually recommend this brand because this is from Korea's #1 pharmacy brand for a decade already. Kaya naman, ito siya. Sobrang cool ng pimple patch na to. Actually, guys, I use this when I have an upcoming acne. Ipakita ko sa inyo. This one. Ang kapal niya pag ginawakan and medyo masakit siya. Also, I have here somewhere. Hindi ko nakita. Also here. Usually, my acnes are hard to manage. Like, magsistart siya ng really small, but pag napabayaan ko siya, they will grow big and masakit siya and malaki siya for a long time and magsascar siya. So, ganun ako mag-pimple. Hindi madalas, pero if it happens, it will happen for a long time. It will happen for a long time. Dami pa energy. Before pa siya lumaki and lumala, I make sure to use this overnight. Like, you can leave this on for 2 to 8 hours. Okay guys, so this is the patch and it has 20 super thin needles that has magnesium and tea tree oil. And guys, their advice is to put the Cica ampule needle. I saw some people putting it directly sa pimple, but I'm gonna follow the instruction here. And if you're gonna ask me, it doesn't hurt at all. It's a micro-thin needle, so don't you worry guys, wala siyang sakit. I've read somewhere that the needle is here. Hindi talaga siya masakit, but more on they're creating an environment for the pimple to heal faster. So usually, yung ginagamit din to if you have large pimples and you want to make it smaller. Habang tumatagal tayo dito sa Korea, I'm so lucky to be able to discover this type of products. Na sana, enjoy din kayo. Gonna use it here. This one is an upcoming acne. That's it. So I'll leave it on for 2 to 8 hours. I think maximum is 8 hours. For sure, before 8 hours, gising na ako. So, update ko kayo. Good night! Parehas kami may pimple dito kasi dito kami dinidilaan ni Sandy. Maliit na nga yun eh.
Liit lang.
Hawakan mo to para may magkakanta mo. Come here. Come on. Come on. Lagyan natin ng dot. Ang sakit, masakit, masakit, masakit. Ah! Daddy Cash? Ay, cute! Cash? Hi, sorry. My bad. Sit. Very good. Cash? Sorry, aking bad. Aking pangit, guys. Sit. Cool! Spin. Very good! Sandy, spin. You're so cute! Tingnan natin yung pimple patch. I think now it's okay. Guys, sobrang ganda talaga ng pimple patch na to. It's not just your usual acne cover. It's like a remedy powered by science. So, yes, when it turns black, you know that it worked. This is how my acne looks like now. Nag-dry na siya agad. For me, it's a necessity to have this pimple patch in your stash because you never know when you'll have acne, especially for those na may acne-prone skin naman. Wait, hindi matanggal. Hindi kita kaya ng nails ko. So excited. Oh my God! Nakita niyo ba yun? Oh, when you walk like Jenny. Ang cool, ang bilis niya mag-dry up and mag-heal. So again, this is it. Yes, it's in Korean, but it says Easy Derm Quick Calming Magnesium Pimple Patches. That's how it's called. And usually, makikita nyo to sa mga Korean pharmacies. So if you visit Korea, you can check the pharmacies, but it's also available sa Shopee natin. They have their actual store, like their real store. So I'll link it in the description box and in my YouTube shop. Again, I earn a small commission from it. And this one, guys, is from Daewon Pharmaceuticals, one of the leading and trusted here in Korea for skin health, skin recoveries, and all. So I usually lean towards those brands. Lagi ko tinitingnan sino yung gumawa, ano to, ganyan-ganyan. So I know and I'm sure with what I put on my face. Okay, maniligo na tayo. In-update ko lang kayo sa pimple patch. I'll update you with how yung pimple patch ni June. But yeah, let's take a bath. Okay, gising na po siya, Dok. Cool! Lumiit siya! Cool! Look! Wow! Today is Sandy's big day. First time niya ma-experience ulit yung parang boarding, lodging, and school in one place or parang facility. I'm so excited to see it. Honestly, si June yung pumili. Ang daming message ni June. And meron kami last time pinuntahan. Nasa siya sa province siya ng Seoul. Super saya kasi parang sobrang laking field and sobrang aliwalas na house lang siya na home. Tapos maximum 13 to 14 dogs. Kaso sarado sila right now. Ang ganda kasi ang daming naging kalaro ni Sandy doon. Sobrang vibe niya talaga, guys. Sayang di ako nakapag-vlog. But, yun, sa iba kami natuloy kasi sarado sila now. So,
We're heading there in a bit. Get ready with me kasi dinala pala to ni Mommy last time. I have the Face Architect. It's Tony Sia's Flawless Face Set. I'm so excited. I love it. Congratulations kay Tony. Ever since na-launch to, sobrang excited ko. And also, I got spot contact lenses. Support our Filipino content creators. This one naman is from Lurch. Parang brand niya to. Let's get ready. And yes, pati po ito. Sa Pilipinas ko pa pinapabili. Kasi parang mas mura pa sa Pinas. Parang I got this one for just 5 pesos. Shopee, I think. Who is she? Sobrang beauty guru ng vibe. Oh no, where are you going, Sandy? He's back! Anyway, look what we have here! I'm so excited for this. You know how much I love toner pads. For me, super life-changing skincare products niya. Thank you, Sandy. Honest na naman siya. Anyway, and I'm just really happy that my all-time favorite Korean skincare brand launched their very own. You know how much I love yung kanilang toner. Tingnan niyo kung gaano ko kalap. Look. Ubus na talaga siya. Actually, I've been a user of this brand for a year. Share ko lang, they are the first Korean brand who sent me a PR package when I moved here. I think, kung nanonood talaga kayo ng vlog ko, sila yung unang nag-send. So, I'm really happy and I repurchased most of their products the past year. So, yan, mga ubos ko na. Mga product empties ko. Na tinabi ko talaga kasi gusto ko sana gumawa ng product empties na TikTok video. Look how empty all these products are. Actually, ang dami ko na nga tinapon nung naglipat tayo ng apartment, if you know. So, ayan. Also, I bought yung kanilang moisturizer for my dad, for my grandmother. That's how good their moisture line is. I know there's a lot of hydration line in the market, but Standard Soul's moisture line really hits different. Super different niya talaga. Yung line nila, guys, they have 10 types of hyaluronic acid, so your skin can have up to 240 hours of hydration. Kaya gusto ko siya, guys, kasi super dry talaga ng skin ko. Ito, alam niyo na to. This is their serum na may parang mga oil capsule. And then usually, sinishake lang siya. So it's a moisture vault. If you've tried it, you know it anchors all that moisture deep within your skin like nothing else on the market. This is still the same serum line that I've been using the past year. This is still my everyday serum kasi it has like a balanced amount of oil, guys. So parang nag-create yung oil capsule na yun ng protective na moisture barrier. And look, instantly para akong may natural glow. But hindi siya heavy at all. Parang wala lang talaga siya. So, I really like it. Anyway, usually toner pads, guys, either, gel type, gel pads, or gauze pad siya. But yung kanila, guys, actually, it's my first time to see both in one. So, wait, kunin ko lang. So, guys, yung isang side niya is like a gauze type. It acts like a wiping toner. So, parang pang-wipe toner siya, ganon. And the other side is gel. So, if you have time, parang gel mask, quick mask siya ginagamit. So, yun naman siya. So, on busy mornings, you can just apply yung gauze side. Wipe it gently or tap it gently sa skin mo. So, instantly, mariremove niya yung impurities mo, ganon. And masusmoothen niya yung skin texture. But for me, I like putting yung gel side niya muna for like 5 to 10 minutes. Because I can feel it helps dip off my face more. Parang nalilift niya. Same with their toner, yung V-Fit, diba? Instantly nalilift yung skin. Kasi parang yun naman is may caffeine. Yun yung nafe-feel ko, parang na-firm yung skin. Pero wala naman siyang parang tightening or parang irritating effect at all. So parang instantly lang talagang nagigising yung mukha ko. Nalilift yung mukha ko. If you've been following me, you know na super addict ko talaga sa toner pads. Kaya minsan naglalagay din ako dito. It's just super relaxing and comforting. So after 5 minutes, guys, or 10 minutes, whatever time you have, fold it like this, and now you can gently tap or wipe it sa skin nyo to remove yung mga impurities or to smoothen your skin texture. So perfect talaga siya as a skin prep as well. Something like this. Honestly, guys, I didn't know toner pads can get any better. Like, literal, toner pads lang siya, pad. Sobrang kulang talaga. Every single time na may release si Standard Soul, parang feeling ko sobrang innovative talaga ng mga products ni Standard Soul. Parang yun na yung branding nila. Nakakatuwa na naisip pa nila na gawing 2-in-1 yung kanilang toner pads like this. Sometimes I also do this. Remember, lagi ko yun ginagawa. Look how instantly nag-firm yung skin ko after just using and applying these toner pads for about 5 minutes. So, sobrang okay talaga niya. Usually naman, Korean brands, especially Standard Soap, they really present yung mga clinical or lab results nila like this one for all of their products. And if you watch my videos, lagi ko siyang pinipaste kasi super nakakatuwang basahin kung paano nila napag-aralan, na-test yung kanilang product. So, that way you guys know then yung mga binibili yung products is of course na-test and talagang maganda. So, ayun naman po. Okay, after that, minsan umaabot pa po sa kamay ko if may remnants pa. Super hydrating. I love it.
Okay, let's try to put lashes lang. This one is from Fabulash, yung collab with Antea Bueno. Sa lahat ng collab so far, di ba may latest release si Fabulash, yung kay Marge, Josie ba yan? Josie, and then kay Lurch. Kay Lurch lang sana yung bibilin ko. Pero buti binili ko yung sa tatlo kasi turns out, mas bagay sa eyes ko yung kay Marge Maroke. So far, ito siya. I'm gonna finish this and I'll be back, guys. Lalagay na natin siya dito. Kung mapapansin nyo, medyo iba. Kasi naubusan nung isa niyang dog food. So, bumili lang si Jun ng iba pang dog food. So, let's count from 1 to 10. 21, 22. And last but not the least, ito naman ang kanyang treats! Yes, dog food din ang treats niya, guys. Kasi sobrang swerte namin na mahilig po siya sa dog food as in dog food lover to the highest level. Kesa sa treats, kahit anong treat so far, no? Of course, except sa mga beef or mga meat talaga, ganyan. Oh, you like it? Ayan na po ang meal prep ni Sandy. So, habang nandun siya. Yan, that's it. I'm so sad, guys. Hatid na natin si Sandy. Hindi na ako nakapag-update sa inyo. Wait lang. Oh, where? What is to? You know it. Oh my God, guys. Di ko in-expect na ang mafe-feel ko is sobrang bigat. Tapos parang akong tutuloy luha ko, gano'n. Ang drama, nagdadrama. Pero iba pala talaga. As in, palabas pa lang si Sandy, guys. Parang ang empty na ng bahay. Parang ayoko na bumalik sa bahay na yun kapag wala si Sandy. Pero gano'n talaga. Kasi isa rin naman sa pinag-usapan namin ni Jun na dapat di maapektuhan din naman yung work. Pero at least sinasala na lang namin kung kailan kami talaga lalayas. Sandy, na-miss you. Wala ba siya isama sa mga Vietnam, ganyan, sa mga flight?
Sa car siya.
Ayun lang, pero pwede.
Pwede siya mag-flight.
Pwede siya mag-back and forth ng country or another exam na naman yun. Lalo na kapag resident siya dito, no?
Pag matagal na siya. Kasi parang rapis free country naman.
Yes.
Alam ko rapis, pag may kalamaki malibis sa isang country natin maraming requirements.
Gets naman. So, kaya sa atin ang daming requirements. So, hindi ko pa pala yun na-share sa inyo, yung How I Flew My Dog to South Korea. May title na, pero ay, alam ko ang daming nag-aantay nun, pero wait, they don't know me like I know you. Sandy, I'm gonna miss you. Ang pangarap ko nila ngayon is madala ko rin sila sa mga work trips. Yun naman, mas matangkad pa siya sa akin pag nakaupo. Okay, I'll update you guys once we're there. Bye! Ooh, nice neighborhood! Oh my God! Ang cute! Okay, let's go. Wow! Look! Ano kaya tong mga to? Wala pang exercise? Sandy! Sandy! All training. Sandy! Babe, ang ganda nung... Ito, oh. Extreme warmer eh. Hindi niya need eh. Pero ang ganda, guys. Dog glass. Oh, what do you like? Yung mga bed kaso di kaso si Sandy. Hindi tayo bibili ng dates? Babe, okay, Chase. Pakpak. Ay, yung brand nila, oh, Dog Glass. Lots of treats as well here. And yung mga harness. Nice.
Dapat chill lang daw. So kami chill lang din na, hindi
Kahit
na kami
gusto
parang,
mong lamutakin pa.
hindi ko na kiniskis kasi baka, bawal ba yung ganun, babe?
Parang sabi nila wag daw parang wala masyadong big emotions daw usually kapag aalis ka or
Gets.
babalik ka. Parang dapat wala, normal lang, neutral.
Okay, fine. So, ayun, naging neutral naman ako, tinry ko may best ko. Kasi parang, ganun na ako, tapos sinabihan na ako ni Jun. Anyway, ito siya, guys. Dog class. Yan. All breeds, all training. Ayun, guys. So, may mga trophies and also madami ng certification. So, I'm so excited. Kasi, hindi pa namin talaga sure ano yung mga class na mag-work kay Sandy. So, ipapatest na lang ni Jun ano. Tapos, meron sila yung pang-agility talaga na gumagano ganun. What if? What if yun ang future ni Sandy? Diba? Anyway, we are here in this beautiful neighborhood na alam ko marami talaga nakitirang K-pop idol sa area na to, guys. Ayun nga yung Seoul Tower, oh. Oh, this Seoul. Yun. Ayan. So now we're heading home kasi madami pa tayong gagawin. Although may kainan ba dito? May cafe, wala. Hindi naman pala to parang hanam-hanam. Nasa gilid ng hanam.
Parang masarap na tumira sa ganito.
Yun nga eh.
Kaso parang mahal lang yun. Pero mahal na.
Magkano?
Rent.
Si Jun nagtititingin ng rent dito. 2.8 million won?
Oh, month.
Pero babe, ang ganda, ang cozy.
Tapos malaki.
Okay guys, so sumakay na lang tayo ulit ng taxi pa uwi. Kasi super nahihilo na ako sa gutom. Si Jun ang sakit na ng ulo niya. Kung 1 PM na hindi pa kami kumakain at all. Hahabol pa sana ako magpa-haircut or hair color kasi parang ang weird na nung hair ko. Or hindi pa ba? Anyway. So, ayun yung isa sa plano kong isingit pa. And then, magpapack pa tayo. So, I wanna show you how I pack for my trip. May mga, papalitan ko na rin yung mga makeup, kit ko and all. Kasi matagal na rin yun. And para isang bit-bitan. So, kasi, syempre, magsi-sleeper train, magsi-sleeper bus tayo sa Vietnam. I'm so excited. So, yan. Let's go. So we just ordered from our favorite Wayne's Bagels from Canada daw tong brand na to and masarap siya. Sobrang gutom na kami. Sabi nga ni John, Leaning Tower of Pizza. Pizza. Leaning Tower of Pizza na kami. So hindi na namin kaya magluto. Ha? Hello everyone. I have a nails appointment in a bit and nagpa-vlog lang ako kasi wala lang. Hindi kayo mag-alala. Wala akong ibubuto sa inyo today. Hey guys, our flight is at 8 AM tomorrow, so I have some few last minute errands. I need a bra. I need a bra, totoo. Kailangan ko ng strapless na bra kasi it's been years. Hindi ako OA, pero I think it's been 5 years or 6 years since my latest na parang strapless na bra. And yung pinakabago kong bra is yung nabili ko nung August, yung dinala pa ni Mommy from Shopee na 200 pesos. Pero hindi siya strapless, so I need that. Also, I'm gonna have my nails done kasi grabe naman na sila. Nakakaya naman sa work trip ko na parang ang tsaka. Time right now is 5:30 PM. And ang dami natin gagawin. Magpapack pa tayo and wala pa akong outfits in mind. Kasi biglaan naman tong work trip na to. With the nails, dito lang siya guys. So parang the vibe is giving parang Circle C. Alam niyo ba yung Circle C? Evergotesco, mga ganon. Very parang local building na old, na parang malapit na ma-abandon na ganon. Kasi hindi talaga nililinis yung ayan o, escalator. But yan kasi yung malapit sa atin. Tapos, okay naman sila. Got the goods. Sobrang bilis ko. Siguro mga 10 minutes lang ako. Hindi na ako nag-vlog. Pero, iba pala mamili ng bra dito. Himas-himas galore sila. Ganun ang magsukat ng bra. It's, I think, around 4 AM. Pero, hindi talaga ako nakatulog, guys. Nasa Olivia ako ng mga 11 PM. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. So, today's plan, so 4 AM na and we need to leave the apartment at 6 AM sharp kasi ang flight natin is at 10:10 AM. Akala ko nga 8 AM ang flight. So ayun, buti na lang dinouble check ni Jun yung flight. 10:10 AM pala, hindi pala 8 AM. So I still have time to film a pack with me video. Hopefully, hindi pa ako late sa trend. Hindi naman siya trend, pero more of, dati ko pa ito nakikita sa TikTok, but never ko siyang binili. Because of RC, kaya ako na-appreciate yung malalaking travel organizers na ganito. Kasi nung dito siya nagstay, parang isang ganito kalaking bag, tapos nandun lahat ng shampoo niya, conditioner na full size. Ako kasi guys, diba, small size, nililipat ko pa and all. Pero ngayon, whatever, dadaling ko na lahat ng kailangan ko. Ayoko nang mag-isipan pa. So, I got this lang. Sobrang cute niya. Hihi. Tingnan nyo. I think if you are nasa TikTok, and mahilig kayo sa organizers, dumadaan na tong mga ads nito sa inyo. Kasi sobrang dami niyang compartments. Ngayon ko pa lang siya binuksan. Nakakatuwa kasi meron din siya sa kupang. So, look how big it is. May compartment dito, may compartment dito, also here. And for my brushes over here, and here as well. So, sobrang dami talaga. This is the top view of the organizer. Of course, I'm gonna put my toner pads. Yes, dinadala ko talaga yung toner pads because mahirap i-manage yung dry skin ko lalo na kapag nag-change yung weather or environment. Sa Vietnam, parang 4 seasons yun nandun. So, sa Danang, I think medyo parang spring vibe, and then sa Hanoi, medyo Tusapa, winter, ganun. Tapos sa Ho Chi Minh, summer. Alam niyo yun? Anyway, of course, sunscreen, I have this duo. Next, of course, facial wash. Ito yung paubos ko ng facial wash, kaya yan yung dala ko. Madeca cream, of course, for emergency. And then, what else? Serum. Of course, this is our serum for the trip. And then, for contact lens solution. What else? Hair tonic. Alam nyo na yan. Nilalagay yan dito. Lilink ko na lang. Paubos na siya, so iiwan ko na lang din siya dun. And, of course, Easy Do. Paubos na rin siya. Ay, wait lang yung pimple patch ko. Pimple patch just in case. So, this is how it looks like. The last makeup remover sa taas. Okay, of course, shampoo, conditioner. Usually, guys, ginagamit ko lang yung nasa hotel. Pero dahil may organizer tayo, dinala ko yung shampoo, conditioner ko. Pero yes, nagsisettle lang ako sa mga kung ano yung nasa hotel, whether or not maganda sila or hindi. Medyo hindi ako maarte sa ganong part. Also, of course, I need to have my mouthwash. Kapag alam mo na, kailangan ko yan sa life. Toothbrush, toothpaste. Kakabili ko lang actually nitong toothpaste ito. Kasi yung toothpaste natin, di-pump, diba? So, hindi ko siya madadala. This one is the smallest sa Olive Young kagabi. So, ito na yung binili ko. Of course, I'm gonna be bringing some napkins. Damihan ko na kasi feeling ko magkakaroon na ako. I think sa side na to, ilalagay ko yung ating makeup brushes. Grabe, toiletries lang siya. So, talagang dapat ba may makeup kit pa rin ako. Gonna bring some lashes. I'm gonna put this here. Next, I have my contact lens. Got this cute contact lens cases kasi monthly siya, guys. So, I'm gonna keep it here. Sana, no, may kasama ng case next time or may set na ganun. Kasi nahihirapan ako, bibili pa ako. Next, we have some medicines and mga gamot, vitamins, lahat na, name it. Just found this pouch from Blocks. Dito ko na lang siguro ilalagay. Yes, wala po akong medicine kit. Yan pala yung hindi ko rin nabili. Naisip ko ilagay dito pero halo-halo na. I need a pouch. Number 1 on the list. Alam nyo, hindi ako nag-e-air sa Flora. Sobrang influensyahan lang ako ni RC tsaka nila Maki na gawin to. So, ayan. This one is from Mommy Heidi. May dala siya. In-arbor ko na. And then yung tita ni June, pinasalubungan din kami ng mga air sa Flora here. So, thank you. Thank you sa ating mga sponsors. This is highly suggested if you are visiting Vietnam. Dami nagsasabi. This is their version of Gaviscon here. You know me, I need it. Okay, antihistamine naman. Of course, another important thing. We have Buscopan Venus in case sumakit yung puson ko. Paracetamol, Bioclassic. Okay, mga kailangan natin. Solmux, kailangan ba natin yun? Benedict, Sipon. Imodium, Buscopan. Okay, I think we need this. Cetirizine. Para sa Diatabs. Alam ko yan. Sa diet. Charing, joke lang. Niloloko ko lang kayo. Alam ko yan. Uy! You know what, guys? Hindi ako yung person na nag-aayos ng medkit. I'm usually the one na nanghihingi ng medkit. I don't know what's this. Naka-Korean siya. Huwag na natin dala. Oh, this one. Panglalamunan. Next. This one, I think, is Nana Silyros medkit na naiwan niya dito nung nag-Korea siya. So, I'm gonna bring it with me. Next, we have Nafarin A. Sipon. Tama ba? Oh my God! Tumatanda na ako! Ponstan! Sakit ng ngipin. Huy! Diatabs again. What else do we have here, guys? Alerta. Pwede natin. And then last, Newzep. Meron din. Okay, fine. So we have this brushes from Tony na I'm so excited to try. Ay, oh my God, yung ano ko pala, favorite kong moisturizer from Stanbridge. Okay, I almost forgot. Hinabol ko pa to sa Olivian kagabi. Like, 10:30 closing, 10:28 ako dumating ng Olivian. Buti open pa sila. I think I'll be needing vitamin C. And this is my favorite vitamin C, guys. Hindi ako fan uminom ng vitamin C kasi parang naa-acid ako. Gets nyo ba ako ganun? Hindi ko alam bakit. Ayoko mag-claim, pero allergic ako sa isang something. Zinc, I think. So, yung mga multivitamins na inom ko, parang may ganun. Ayoko lang magsalita, baka mali ako. Basta may something sa ibang vitamin. So, medyo na-trauma ako nun. Pero kasi, guys, itong vitamin C na to, sobrang galing niya. Like, literally yung description ko ng vitamin C na to, para siyang power up or boost sa game, ganun. Kasi parang pag, alam mo yung parang nanghihina ka na, inom ka nito, maya-maya or kinabukasan, okay ka. So, I need that. Okay, guys, let me give you an overview of our toiletry kit. I'm so happy. This side, full of skincare. Of course, my sunscreen. Ayan, my moisturizer, toner pads, pimple patch. Ayan, contact lens case, if I need it. Serum, isa lang yung dinala kong serum for this tip. Contact lens, and then moisturizer, whatever, alam nyo na yan. Here naman is shampoo, conditioner, of course yung hair tonic from Mediol, we need that. Toothpaste, mouthwash, makeup remover, ayan. And then here I have of course my napkin and my toothbrush. Pinagsama ko na sila kasi, ayaan nyo na. Here naman I have my lashes, yes, excuse this. My lashes, of course fashion tape, and then yung brushes ni Tony na I'm so excited to try. Of course some tools, like blade and yung pang apply ng ano, yan, mga ganyan. Diyan yan. Next, guys, I have a new backpack! I'm so happy. Sobrang nakailang beses akong bisita ng Lululemon the past month. Kasi ang tagal ko talaga pinag-iisipan kung bibili ako ng backpack. Finally, I gave in. Wala talaga akong backpack. And every time na nagta-travel ako, usually tote bag or shoulder bags, and napansin ko talaga, sumasakit na talaga yung shoulder ko sa pagbuhat. Perfect timing ko, naisip ko din, paano yung mga gamit ko sa sleeper train, sa sleeper bus, diba parang ang hirap naman kung open yung tote bag. So, oh my God guys, sorry sa kalat, but we are packing and almost done. Sa totoo lang, feeling ko, uulitin ko na lang yung ibang outfit. Uulitin, pero puno na. Guys, maniwala kayo sa akin, hindi yan puno. Siguro mga ano lang yan. Ang kapal lang kasi ng jacket for Sapa. So now, of course, my laptop. Pinilit ko lang talaga itong bilhin. Tignan nyo, medyo lagpas yung laptop. Pero kasi, masasara naman siya. Kasya siya pag sinara. Pero, ang perfect talaga yung bigger size nito eh. Of course, my journal. Tatanggalin ko muna si Pusa. Sorry, kailangan kitang tanggalin kasi baka mawala ka lang. So, this is it. And I just have my pencil case here. Tapos itong Niaru, lalagay ko na lang siya dun sa ano. Yan, ang ating pouch. We have, of course, lip balm, lip tint, hand cream, perfume. A lot of you are asking from the previous vlog, SW19 Midnight. Mabango siya. Clean scent lang. And then, of course, yung perfume of the trip, Come Closer na perfume balm ni Crisel Uni. Yan, may perfume balm na siya. Lagay natin siya here. Trusty power bank, the best power bank pa din talaga. Sobrang irreplaceable nito. Nacha-charge siya si Osmo Pocket, si Osmo Action, yung iPhone, yung cellphone, lahat nacha-charge niya. So, sobrang favorite ko pa rin to. Luma na to guys, pero sobrang durable pa din. And then, of course, my mic is here. And then, shades na lang. Lagay ko na yung shades ko dito. Dito ka na lang para hindi ka magastos. Nagkasya ka. Yun! Dito ko nilagay yung aking shades. And basically, that's it for ang laman ng ating backpack. binilan din pala ako ni June ng wireless microphone and parang yung transmitter. Receiver niya. So, ito yun. Hindi ko pa na-unbox. Unbox na natin. For the first time, kahit si June, parang hindi pa siya super... sobrang medyo hindi siya sobrang bilis today mag-pack. Hindi niya rin kasi alam kung ano yung ipapack niya. Alam ko namang tapos ka. Talagang pinarinig niya sa inyong tapos na siya. Alam kong tapos ka na, babe. Ang sinasabi ko is, usually, sasabihin ko magpapack na ako. After 5 minutes, sasabihin mo tapos. After, literal guys, no joke. Hindi ako OA. After 5 minutes, sasabihin niya, tapos na ako. Ganun. Pero today, parang after 30 minutes, hindi pa siya, dun pa lang siya natapos. Gets niyo ba yun? Ayan. Diba? It's a pouch. Again, another pouch. Pag tumatanda ka na, humihilig ka na sa pouch. Ako lang ba? Hindi ko kayo dadamay. Sige, ako na lang yung tumatanda. Hindi ko kayang ipakita sa inyo yung aking sitwasyon sa aking maleta. Di ko kayang tanggapin na ganito yung tsura ng maleta ko today. Ang kapal ng lahat. Oh my gosh. Ito na lang. Pakita ko sa inyo. Hey, cool girls in your area. Alam nyo yung makakapal is yung jacket lang. Makikita nyo sa vlogs ko, guys. Promise, wala akong walang dami. Kailangan nakakapal. May tag pa. Okay. Boom. Panis. Made it. Kainis, twinning tayo. Gaya-gaya ka.
Ako na una.
Ano ako na?
Ako na matapos eh.
Pinaalala ko sa'yo to eh.
Yun.
Yung ano. Basta. Anyway guys, please let me know if gusto nyo ba ng Vietnam series or gusto nyo ng parang ano lang, isahan lang, ganun, or dalawang vlog lang ganyan. But if you want a Vietnam series, edi per place tayo. So parang Hanoi, Sapa, or baka if you want Hanoi, Sapa, ganyan. So, konting story time lang. Yung kakao na nabook namin. Pumunta siya mag-isa sa airport nang wala kami. So, hindi ko alam ano kayo nangyari dun kay Lolo. Baka nalimutan niya. Akala niya may sumakay, gano'n. Hindi ko naman gustong isiping tatakbo niya kami, di ba? Kasi ang pick-up time is 6:30. Umaandar na siya ng mga 6... Oo.
6:15 wala na siya.
Oo, 6:50 wala na siya. Paano yun? Anyway, Lolo ko nanonood ka man. Hoy, sana okay ka lang. So, ayun, tuloy, nag-taxi na lang kami, guys. Pero ito pala yung kikwento ko last na bago ko yan. Talaga itong vlog, promise. Dito, nung na-report mo sa Kakao, after a few minutes lang, ni-refund naman nila. Very good, diba? As in, wala nang tanong-tanong refund nung na-report namin. Ang nangyari though, pero yung mga refund sa Pilipinas, especially sa BDO, Diyos ko po, isang buwan na yung BDO na refund namin na 40,000 na hindi naman namin kasalanan. Parang kung ano-ano pang pinapa-letter sa amin, pinapa-submit ng BDO. Diyos ko po, BDO, I'm sorry, pero bakit? Tapos, ano pa ba? Ayun, ang tagal ng mga refund. Please, ayusin nyo. Kasi what if 40,000 lang talaga yung pera ng person? Diba? So, parang, paano na? Ayun nga. Okay, bye. Yun lang. Anyway, bye-bye.